We're matchy-matchy, girly! Yes! Besties forever! Look who's here! My crush!
Come on, man.
Wow! Guess I have a new crush too!
You again. Move.
Huh?
Yeah, this is our spot.
You can't do that! You wanna fight? I'll give you a fight! This is not acceptable!
What the?
Weren't expecting this, huh?
I'm not scared.
What's happening?
Earthquake!
Well, I'm scared now!
Huh? Watch out!
Whoa! What are those?
Huh? Space boxes?
Wow! It's raining dollhouses!
Guess the makeover challenge is on.
Oh, I'm so gonna win this.
I wouldn't bet on it, cause I have the perfect renovation plan. You know my motto, it's paint it black. That song is literally my anthem. This is incredibly satisfying. Glitter belongs to everyone, and black glitter will make my roof look like the starry night sky. Hey, it's almost time. Huh? Oh, it totally slipped my mind. You really want to go, huh? Well, here's your ticket. Yay! Thanks! Bye! Have fun! I'll be here when you return.
It's my turn. They say one can never catch a rainbow? Well, watch me! Can't get any better than this!
Whoa!
Now watch! My dollhouse will reflect my colorful personality. Yay! But now it's time! Oh, I see. You want this, I assume. Yep, thanks. I'm out.
Didn't expect to see you here.
Let's just ride.
The chimneys fit the rest of the roof.
I'm going with a more magical vibe. Cute!
I don't think I like this ride. Rockstar energy!
Unicorn luck! Don't worry, I got you!
Hey, a little bling-bling wouldn't hurt.
That was so fun!
I know, right?
We're back!
Wow, look at these houses!
You like them?
We've been working really hard on this renovation. Mine looks much better, though.
They both look great. Yoo-hoo! You wanna play?
Sure do.
Catch!
You're really good at this. What's going on?
Looks like they became friends.
I like hanging out with you.
Same. Aw, what a romantic plot twist.
Nah, no way.
Ugh.
No more playing around. A fence will keep you separated.
I can't believe he's doing that!
I don't want to be separated. Hey, what's wrong with you?
Oh, now you can't even see my garden!
Huh? Well played.
Thanks.
I'm not talking to you anymore. No, I'm sorry. Forgive me. I don't accept your apology. I know how I can make it up to you. Look what I got. Wow. I knew you'd like it. Let's park it right here. I want to take you for a test drive. So cool. Hey, check out my ride. Forget her! Here's your lounge chair. And lamps to light up the night. Sorry, I'm daydreaming. Let me look. Wow, I love what you did.
Oh, hang on. I'm thinking of something. Want some refreshment in the meantime? It's strawberry lemonade, your favorite. That was good. And inspiring. I have an idea. Not a single straw will go to waste. Ta-da! Yay! So fun! A must-have for my garden!
Wow, I love seeing her so happy.
Girl, you need a cool ride too. Just don't forget to wear your helmet. Yay! So peaceful. Look at this cutie! Here's a snack for you, little one. Aw, adorable. I don't want to ever leave.
Hilarious. Hey! Hey-oh, yoo-hoo! I got you your own home theater system! A comfy chair to watch movies, and a bed made for punk rock dreams!
I could use some sleep indeed.
What's that?
I'm dreaming of my soulmate.
Hey! Some popcorn while you watch something?
Good thinking. Oh, this scene is hilarious!
Oh, that's my favorite! Sleep, bud. It was a tiring day indeed. In the meantime, I'll make some finishing touches to the decor.
I'm tired. I want to lie down.
Right. I'll get to it. Here's a cozy, comfortable, and soft bed for you.
Yay! Great! Thanks! And the rest of the bedroom?
Worry not. I'm on it. A chic vanity for skincare and beauty routines. And of course, your mini products. My fave is the red lippy. Classic. Plants make every room feel alive. And this will be your reading corner. Yay! I love it! But more importantly, what do you think?
So amazing! So us! I'll fix my makeup.
You do that, girl. And I'll get to fixing these windows. The new curtains need to fit the rest of the vibe. So, these will be perfect. Shiny, colorful, and dreamy.
Huh? What's that? Curtains? Can't believe I forgot about them. Can't fall behind on this renovation. There we go. Edgy is my middle name. One look at these and you'll know this house rocks.
Here comes the rest of the living room furniture. Each piece adds a little more personality to the space. This room is making me smile already. It feels so cheerful and full of energy. Colorful tablecloths for fun dinner parties. Bold colors, big statements. Nothing here that won't catch your eye. It'll feel like living inside a painting. Or a fairy tale storybook. You decide. Pop Art Museum internal design achieved!
Yep, approved and appreciated. I'll enjoy everything my new living room can offer. I can't stop looking at it. Who's the cutest? Yes, you are. Yes, you are.
Aww.
What?
Huh? Nothing. The glittery style? Not so much. It's like a vampire library. A few horror stories belong here. Being punk doesn't mean skipping skincare. Tough on the outside, cozy on the inside. All done. Chicken burger, my favorite. Yay, so glad.
We did it! The renovations are officially complete!
This is exactly what I imagined I would do.
Same! I'm so proud of my work.
The contrast between the styles is wild, though.
Agreed! I love how unique they both are. Something's still missing.
Huh? Psst! Come on, help her! Me? How? Okay. Hey, maybe this'll fix that.
Oh, wow! For me? I wasn't expecting that. Thank you, you're so kind. This'll look perfect over here. Yep, it was made for that corner.
Glad I could help.
Whoa!
Your eyes are the most beautiful. Mwah.
A dream come true. I could get used to this.
They're adorable.
They're my favorite couple.
Look.
Bye!
See you later.
Aw, maybe we could be…
A couple too?
You read my mind.
This is my favorite seat in the world.
Right next to you.